Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn volunteer section to show leadership impact. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open LinkedIn and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page. In your profile, scroll down to the featured section. Click on the Add Profile section button located in the upper right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Recommended to expand the options. Next, find and click on the Add Volunteer Experience option. A new form will open for you to fill out. In the role field, enter your position or title related to your volunteer work. In the organization field, type the name of the organization where you volunteered. You can also include a description of your volunteer experience in the description box. Be sure to highlight any leadership roles or significant contributions you made. If applicable, include dates to indicate the duration of your involvement. You can select the volunteer or work experience toggles to specify if the experience was paid or unpaid. Once you have filled in the relevant information, click the Save button. Your volunteer experience will now be added to your profile. To showcase your leadership impact more prominently, consider rearranging the order of your sections. Click the pencil icon near the top of your profile to enter edit mode. In the edit mode, drag the volunteer experience section to the desired position on your profile. This will ensure that your leadership roles are easily visible to others. Once you're satisfied with the changes, exit the edit mode. Review your profile to ensure everything looks correct and is displayed properly. Congratulations, your LinkedIn profile now highlights your volunteer leadership impact effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.